Alright. So once I take off, just go ahead and do your thing. Or you can take off now, whatever. Uh-oh.
Timer cleared.
You got it? Go ahead. Oop. Thing flies really good for its size. Alright, take it off.
Timer cleared.
I gotta check something. I forgot to look. See if my satellite was on. Come on in. I gotta check something. Make sure that's on. Yes, it is. Okay, we're good. Okay. Go ahead. It's pretty quick. Alright, now I'm going out.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Uh-oh. Low pass.
Taxi out.
Go ahead.
Going out. I'm just gonna put it on the runway.
No worries. I'll stay away from you for a little bit.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Is Jack trying to sneak up on me? Maybe. It is. Okay, I'm doing a low pass from the left.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Alright, I'm going to do a slow pass.
Landing flap.
Try to slow it down. Hey, hello.
Flap up.
Go ahead. I know you're landing, but I'm going to do a pass a little above you.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, I'm landing.
Gear down. Landing flap.
shocks on it?
Yep.
10,
And I used them today.
9, 8. Flaps up. 7,
I'm glad you did. It wasn't worth seeing, don't worry.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, yours has lights as well.
1.
Yeah. That's as it comes.
Time expired.
Going out!
Come on. There we go. All right. Yeah.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
It's fun to fly. It doesn't.